Have you ever wondered if art would still hold its beauty if it were immortal? Museums are our way of preserving what we know can't last forever, an attempt to hold on to the impermanent. A flower is beautiful because once plucked, it begins to fade. A woman's beauty is tied to her fleeting youth, reminding us that time leaves its mark on all of us. This impermanence is what makes rock balancing so captivating. It's not just about placing one stone atop another, it's the delicate act of balancing them all together, sometimes with the top rock holding everything in place. In this dance with gravity, we learn that foundations aren't always at the bottom. Sometimes they rest at the top. Forces become playful, and harmony is found in every circumstance. Rock balancing teaches us to embrace the fragile, fleeting nature of existence, finding balance no matter what life throws our way. In the end, it's the impermanence that makes life and art truly beautiful.